Yeah. Hey. First build of the channel so far. Got my truck and 2 quads and a trailer. I believe that might be just a fuel tank, but there's definitely not, so I'm just kidding. Looks like it might be Ford because of the grill, but it's cool. You can go to Walmart, or I got these at Fry's. You can go to Fry's and get Legos for 20 bucks and build them and have a blast. As a grown up, like you used to when you were a kid. And then you can go in your garage and have a blast of your own. So right now I'm about to build the rear half of this bike. So it's basically gonna I'll mock it up and I'm gonna have it welded together and give you guys a better reference of what's going on. So basically this, I'm gonna continue let this float out to about here, and then I'll probably bring it down from this point right here. Anyways, we're going to basically weld that together real quick. I'll try and get some footage of that. I don't have a good thing for welding. I don't know how you guys will be able to see it on this thing, but put my gun down somewhere. This is my everyday carry. It's I suppose I'll show you. It's a Smith & Wesson DRR8 pistol. It's 357 Magnum. It holds 8. It's something big to carry, but it's been my dream gun for I don't know how long, so I carry it on once in a while. It's not too bad, but I'll probably get something smaller. Not like I even need to really carry it, but it is what it is. So I'll let you know how this goes. Alright y'all, what better way to learn than to do? My experience in welding is mostly stick and MIG, so when it comes down to TIG, I've done it before. It's like playing the drums. You got all kinds of different things going on. You gotta know all kinds of stuff. So that is something I'm going to practice today when I weld this. So I got a Miller Multimatic 215. It's a 120 240 welder. It comes MIG, TIG, and stick. It's a cool little welder. I mean, especially if you're a beginner. Sorry, you can barely see that right now. You can basically just turn it on, say what size tungsten you're running and say what size metal you're trying to weld on, and it just kind of give you the kind of in the point where you need to be, which is cool if you don't know what you're doing, of course, and if you just don't really care at all, just turn a button and go. But anyways, I'm gonna get going on this. Benefits to having a kid: you get fruit pouches on tap. No, I mean, I guess you don't have to have a kid to have them, but it's a plus because mom's always got them somewhere in there. Practice, man. Practice makes perfect, I suppose. I don't know. Nobody likes to stick stuff, and I want to practice a little bit. Anyway, you get that. That one's done. That one's done. That one's cooling. And then I'll probably get them welded together and mucked up, and then throw it on here, show you what's actually going on. And then honestly, man, once I get that stuff done, I can get it fully disassembled, start powder coating everything, not powder coating stuff, I'm sorry, sandblasting stuff. Get all this stuff done. I don't know, I might go out and spend a couple dollars and just get like a real paint gun, or I might just can it, like prime it, and then throw a couple cans of paint on it and then clear it. So I don't know, it depends. The thing about doing all this is honestly, like, in the next month or two I'm gonna build a powder coating oven, and it's hard for me not just to wait and just to throw it in there and powder coat the whole thing. But I just want to get this one. I've had this one in my garage for longer than it should have been, just because work has been over the top, and when you want to spend time with your family a little bit, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. So as far as that, I'm gonna get this thing whipped. Hopefully today's Saturday, so hopefully Sunday I'll get it fully welded up. I got a couple other things to do today, and then we'll be set. So yeah, we'll be there soon. Slowly but surely we're getting them. All right, making another jig. Got these pieces finished. So basically these pieces are gonna go like this, which is all gonna be French y'all. So basically they're gonna go like this, with this center piece in the middle, meeting them together. And I'll kind of give you this little bit of a kick up and around. Once I get this piece welded together, I'll attach it to here, and then I'll run a kicker piece from there to there, and should go good. I'm hoping. I've done it multiple times. Works great. Just gonna go a little bit different from this one and see how she goes. just got done welding a little bit of this. I think it should be, it's still a little warm, but we'll undo her. Maybe a pair of gloves, because this is going to be hot. It's not too bad right here. Alright, so let me pick you up. You're sitting vice stand, yeah. Alright, so basically once I get it finished welded, I only got the top half welded right now. But it'll basically sit in there like that. Alright, so essentially that is kind of what the frame is gonna do. I just gotta sit on a piece of one by one. But basically I'm gonna notch, cope, saddle, however you guys, whoever watching this says it. I'm gonna saddle those to sit there, right? And then once I get that sitting necessarily where I want it, I'll probably come up from this round mounting point. So got these notched and coped where they sit pretty good. Sorry, the yellow line jack you up, but no, it's pretty good. Alright, there she is. I got top side welded. I'll probably just weld the bottom side once I get these on. Take everything apart and I can just flip the frame over so I can get a better weld on it. But, so initially, that's that. I'm gonna kick it off of here. And then come over to here. And then, yeah, figure out a couple other things, man. And ready to rock and roll. So, machine does pretty good. I mean, it's not got too big of a duty cycle for sure, but it's a great garage welder, that is for sure. Alright, so I don't know, I've been contemplating on it. I don't want to, I could just go straight like that, but I don't, that's easy and that's lame. So I'm going to notch that better than what it is, and then basically what I'll do is in the middle here, I'll put another kink in it, and then it'll go up, and then it'll kind of kick that way. Just a little bit of a angle in it, just to match the rest of it, versus just throwing a straight bar in there. Alright guys, just got done eating dinner. I'll probably finish the rest of the tail tomorrow or next video. And with that will be disassembly, probably a lot of sandblasting and just prepping everything for paint. But I'm gonna go hang out with the family. Got some work tomorrow and I'll be back at it. So thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your evening or day or whenever you're watching this. But bless you. Have a good night.